Patrice Mtsipe ushiyela likhohliwe ngesikhathi nebetindaba eCameroon. Laba labangakawendi umsebenzi wabo batalufota lolumandi.
Clearly there were deficiencies. Clearly there were failures. There were weaknesses. There were things you can't. There are things that should have been foreseen. Man, come on. You take preventative measures. You take steps that anticipate that if certain things happens, those interventions will ameliorate or preferably bring to an end circumstances that can give rise to injuries, let alone loss of life.
Lokulimala nekushona kwebantfu kwendeke ngembi kwemidlalo weCameroon neComoros wayitolo ebusuku.
The first entry, you've got to show your ticket. It's good. You are far away from the stadium. You've got to show your ticket. Once you've done that, and then you've got to move on and show your the COVID-19 documentation, which is quite some distance away from the entry.
Kunemibiko lesithi phasimandla taseCameroon tilanza abalandzeli ngebunyenti babo ngemabhasi phindze tibanikete emathikithi amahala kuze tinkundla tibonakale ngathi tigcwele. Mina ke ngingumduduzi Ndlovu kanti leti tindzaba te SABC eJozi.